World War II ends, leaving scars on the world and secrets buried in dusty archives. But some of those secrets, over time, emerge into the light. Today, let's delve into one of those documents, declassified after decades hidden. A report that reveals the forgotten strategies, mistakes, and technologies of the Sicilian campaign in 1943. A crucial battle in the Mediterranean theater of operations, where communications played a vital role, sometimes at great cost. This report, based on direct testimony from the 7th Army Signal Officer, takes us into the heart of Operation Husky. We'll discover how communications were planned, the challenges soldiers faced, and the lessons learned in an unforgiving theater of war. Prepare to be immersed in a world of secret codes, crackling radios, and communication lines that cut under enemy fire. A world where success depended on the ability to transmit vital information in the midst of chaos. Delve with us into this declassified document and discover the secrets of communication in the Sicilian campaign, a story of ingenuity, bravery, and sacrifice. A story that, until now, remained in the shadows. Operation Husky, the Allied invasion of Sicily, was a titanic undertaking. Thousands of men, tons of equipment, and a communication network that had to function perfectly to ensure success. The declassified document reveals the strain on the 1st Armored Signal Battalion, responsible for communications for the 7th Army. From the USS Monrovia, converted into a floating command center, operators maintained contact with Allied forces, relaying crucial orders amid the roar of engines and fear of enemy attack. But the landing was not easy. The beach, turned into an inferno of fire and steel, presented a new challenge: establishing communications ashore. Portable radio sets, carried across the sand under enemy fire, became the only link to the combat units. The report reveals the constant struggle against enemy sabotage. Wires cut, lines jammed, the constant threat of surprise attack. Soldiers of the 1st Armored Signal Battalion worked tirelessly, risking their lives to keep communication flowing. The 7th Army's advance toward Palermo and Messina tested the endurance of the men and the capacity of the communications network. Extending cables through steep mountains under the threat of snipers was becoming a titanic task. The declassified document mentions constant improvisation, the need to adapt to hostile terrain and a changing situation. At times, radio was the only option, with the difficulty of jamming and the threat of enemy interception. The Sicilian campaign was a victory for the Allies, but at a high cost. The report reminds us of the sacrifices of those who fought, not only with weapons, but with the responsibility of maintaining communication, the vital thread that connected soldiers to victory. But this document not only recounts the hardships, it also reveals the lessons learned. Lessons that would change the way communications would be planned and executed in future battles. The declassified report stresses the need for better training for radio operators, especially in safety procedures and the handling of new equipment. Experience in Sicily showed that communications discipline was crucial to avoid leaks of information to the enemy. Equipment deficiencies were identified and improvements were proposed in the tables of organization and equipment. The need for stronger field cables, more powerful radio equipment, and mobile maintenance units became a priority. The campaign also demonstrated the importance of taking advantage of existing infrastructure. The telephone network at Palermo, once repaired, became a vital asset for communication between Allied units. Equipment such as the SCR 536, which allowed communication between companies and platoons, proved its effectiveness on the battlefield. The report highlights its versatility and ease of use, making it a key element of the communications network. The need for alternatives to radio and field wire was also apparent. Options such as carrier pigeons and message-dropping aircraft were explored, seeking solutions for situations where conventional communications failed. The Sicily campaign was a crucible where new communication strategies were forged, a scenario where improvisation, bravery, and ingenuity combined to achieve victory. This declassified document provides a valuable glimpse into the past, revealing the challenges and solutions encountered by the soldiers who fought in Sicily. A story that reminds us of the vital importance of communications in war and the courage of those who risked their lives to keep them working. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the past. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about military history and the secrets still hidden in the archives.